Hey folks, Patrick Kelleher, your estate planning and elder law attorney, coming to you from our Educational Estate Planning and Elder Law Care Center. And today, folks, we're going to talk about your dream snapshot. A lot of folks will come to me and say, hey Patrick, what type of plan should I put in place for my loved ones? What type of will or trust would be appropriate for me? And I say it all depends. I always say there's no one size shoe that fits all in estate planning, because everyone comes to the table with different goals, dreams, aspirations, and a vision, or what I refer to as your dream snapshot when you're up in your cloud someday. And you can read about this, folks, more in my most recent book, How to Avoid the Four-Headed Monster of Estate Planning in Elder Law. And you can pick up a copy on Amazon, and I believe it's in like 7 different countries. And you can get paperback version on Amazon or the Kindle version on Amazon. It's not a big investment, folks, and it's an easy read, which will give you a foundational education in estate planning and elder law. I'm also working currently on the audio version of that book as well. So pick up a copy of the book, How to Avoid a Four-Headed Monster of Estate Planning and Elder Law, on Amazon, because you will learn a lot. But back to your dream snapshot. So folks, think about if you're up in your cloud someday, if you close your eyes for a moment and imagine yourself up in your cloud, beautiful blue sky day like today, and your feet are dangling over the front side of the cloud, and you're looking down at your loved ones, that's your why, your spouse, your children, your grandchildren perhaps, and they're all getting along, they're all smiling, maybe even they're singing your praise on that beautiful blue sky day. And from my experience, that is a vision of a lot of our clients, because they don't want their families fighting, they want things to go smoothly, and they want everyone to be still talking and happy and doing well in life, okay? So that could be a vision of yours, and if that is your vision, strongly encourage you to work with a qualified estate planning and elder law attorney and work with them to put your vision together, so when you are up in your cloud in the future, your family's going to be happy, singing your praise. And guess what, folks? That is your legacy. That is how you will be remembered, okay? Opposed to this fella here on the backside of the cloud. He doesn't look so happy because he failed to plan or put a plan in place that didn't work, okay? And the backside of the cloud, folks, is usually the thunder, the lightning, the litigation, the family fighting, family not happy because their loved one didn't plan. They didn't take what I call that personal responsibility. And this guy here, our gal, did take that personal responsibility, and it's really an act of love. So whatever your dream snapshot may be, I often say to the client, you're the expert on the family. Your attorney should be the expert on estate planning and elder law. The deal is you work together to co-create an estate plan that's going to work for you, your vision, your legacy, your loved ones. Folks, thanks for tuning in. Please share the information if you thought it was helpful. Pick up a copy of the book, How to Avoid a Four-Headed Monster of Estate Planning and Elder Law, on Amazon. Go to elderlawcare.com to learn more, or patrickjkelleher.com to learn more about estate planning and elder law, because we are here for you. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.